The Sport Fabric family of companies is a global leader in the production and distribution of printed and dyed textiles as well as finished goods. Our extensive operations span over 3.6 million square feet of manufacturing space in Zhangzhou, China, situated on a sprawling 90-acre campus. As one of the most vertically integrated textile manufacturers globally, we take pride in our commitment to quality and innovation in the sport fabric industry. Key highlights. 1. Global distribution. Our family of companies serves a worldwide customer base, distributing high-quality printed and dyed textiles and finished goods to diverse markets. 2. State-of-the-art facilities. Located in Zhangzhou, China, our manufacturing facilities encompass an impressive 3.6 million square feet. This expansive space is dedicated to the production of cutting-edge sport fabrics. 3. Vertical integration. We stand out as one of the most vertically integrated textile manufacturers globally. This means that we control and oversee the entire production process, from raw materials to finished goods, ensuring quality and consistency at every stage. 4. Innovation and technology. Committed to staying at the forefront of industry trends, we leverage advanced manufacturing technologies and techniques. Our dedication to innovation allows us to consistently deliver high-performance sport fabrics that meet the evolving needs of our customers. 5. Sustainability initiatives. Recognizing the importance of environmental responsibility, we actively pursue sustainable practices in our manufacturing processes. From eco-friendly dyes to energy-efficient production methods, our commitment to sustainability is integral to our operations. 6. Expertise in sport fabrics. With a focus on sport fabrics, we bring specialized expertise to the industry. Our fabrics are designed not only for aesthetic appeal, but also to meet the performance demands of athletes and enthusiasts. 7. Campus infrastructure. Situated on a sprawling 90-acre campus in Zhangzhou, our facilities provide the necessary infrastructure for large-scale, efficient production. This extensive space allows us to accommodate various stages of the manufacturing process seamlessly. As a family of companies dedicated to excellence, we take pride in our position as a global leader in the sport fabric manufacturing sector. Our vertically integrated approach, state-of-the-art facilities, and commitment to sustainability underscore our mission to deliver premium textiles and finished goods to customers worldwide. Visit us at sportfabric.co, email info@sportfabric.co.